We just want to ask Colin a couple questions. Colin came up for training roughly 4 months ago. So Colin, so far, how is it going as a licensee? Is everything as you expected? Give us some feedback.
Yeah, everything is going very well so far. I came up for training about 4 months ago here to visit Kura Home, and since then, between Q1 and Q2 of this year, my business has grown roughly 75%, and by the end of the year, we're thinking that it's pretty much going to double, probably more than double our monthly sales since I've been training here with Kura Home.
When you originally heard about us compared to where you're at right now, what are some things that you didn't think were going to happen? Like, what are some things that have surprised you along the journey of working with us and growing your business?
Yeah, well, the first thing and the most major thing is that for the first time in my business ever, I've stepped out of the actual labor role, which has been huge for growing my company because now I can focus on things other than actually doing the work. So that's been one of the best benefits of working with Kura Home so far, is getting out of the labor and being able to actually grow my business and work on my business instead of in it.
Based on what's happened in the last 5 months, working together with us, what do you think is going to happen to your business? Do you think you're going to see 10% growth, double the size, triple the size, like in the first year working with us?
Oh, within the first year, I would say it's safe to say we'll double our size. Our monthly sales will at least double. How much more than that, I'm not sure, but we'll definitely double our monthly sales next year compared to this year.
What advice would you have for someone that's thinking about starting, a licensee program with Kura Home or adding this to their existing business like you did?
Yeah, well, I mean, if this is any telltale sign, my business has grown more in the past 4 months than it has essentially in the first 3 years of business. So one thing a lot of business owners, I guess, don't realize is that you don't really know what you don't know. And once you make just even the slightest change or adjustment, it can drastically change your business. And essentially within weeks or days or, a month or two, you can literally double your sales like that quick. Just by making a few changes, and it's nothing extremely major.
And just to brag on you, Colin, a little bit, some of the things that you've accomplished, you went from operating one vehicle to you have a second vehicle running now. You're joining networking groups. You've got an employee working for you. You're not working in the field. He's doing a lot of the manual work. You were able to come up to Minnesota, learn more about another addition for your company, and he set that one-day record while you weren't even in town, which is a huge testament to everything that you're doing in your business. So congratulations, Colin. Keep up the great work. Excited to see you go to the moon.
Thank you.